In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a permission scheme in Jira, specifically within the Atlassian Jira platform. Configuring a permission scheme is a critical step in managing who can do what within your Jira projects, ensuring your workflow remains both secure and efficient. Let's walk through this process step by step together. To start, ensure you have administrator access, as this is necessary for adjusting permission schemes. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Jira settings. You can find this easily by looking for the gear icon located on the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Issues. This section is where you'll find most of the options related to how Jira handles various project management tasks. Once you're in the Issues section, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the option for permission schemes. Click on this and it will take you to the page where all the permission schemes are listed. If you're starting from scratch, you'll need to create a new scheme. To do this, look for the Add Permission Scheme button. Click on it and a dialog box will prompt you to enter a name for your new permission scheme. It's also helpful to add a short description so anyone else viewing it in the future will understand its purpose. Once you've filled in those details, click the Add button. After adding your scheme, you'll be brought back to the main permission schemes page. Here you should see the newly created scheme listed. Go ahead and select it by clicking on its name. This will open up the settings where you'll configure the specific permissions you'd like to set. Now it's time to grant permissions. For each permission, hover your mouse over it. On the right hand side you'll see an option to update. Click on Update and you'll get a list of potential users, groups or roles to whom these permissions can be assigned. Select the ones you wish to grant that particular permission to and confirm your selection by clicking on Update once more. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured a permission scheme in Jira. Remember, permission schemes are fundamental in maintaining structure and security in your projects, so always double check to ensure that the right people have the appropriate level of access. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.